Okay then. So Jamaican sprinter Nesta Carter was recently in Lausanne, Switzerland with his battery of expensive lawyers attending his appeal hearing to the Court of Arbitration for Sportscast against his retroactive positive drug test and ban from the sport. But it was a big and serious. Nesta should have touched base with the Maverick to get some last-minute village lawyer advice before him touch out. Remember, it's me, Simon, they tell him from day one that they're not supposed to test any athlete positive for a substance that is not on the ban list at the time his sample was taken. And it's 2 years after the sample was taken in Beijing that the substance was added to the ban list. That was wickedness and injustice in high places. Well, Nesta leave out the village liar and gone over Switzerland. Got pulled hooded over him face. It don't look good, brother. It make you look nefarious and guilty. Like you have something to hide or to be ashamed of. Your expensive lawyer them not tell you that in matters like these, appearance and image are important. You're supposed to clean and out in your decent tuxedo and your suit and look humble and remorseful. Not with no hoodie draw over your head and you're not talking to the media and you jump in a car and gone like you're a gangster. It don't look good, Nesta. When you're appealing to any kind of court to overturn any kind of charge or conviction, my village lawyer experience tell me you cannot go in front of white people pleading for mercy with a hoodie over your head. You're lucky them to call the police. See there. Well, all right. You saw me I talk about, where's the officer? If me see a black man with a hoodie over him head, no, some of the stuff. Check on this. Check on that. I don't see.